Hello, user. In this video, I will explain the installation and adjustment of the track and adjustment before installation. Let's see what tools we need. First, we need a hexagon wrench. We need a 5mm and a 6mm hexagon socket wrench, and a 10, 13, and 16mm wrench. Okay, let's start installing. Before installation, we need to check a few screws. Is this adjusting screw loose? Is this adjusting screw loose? This adjusting screw needs to be loosened a little more. Is this screw loose? And whether the screw of the handle is loose. Okay, in this way, the wheel can move back and forth. Okay, push it to the back. Take out our track. And tighten it, and the screw inside to tighten it initially. Next, take out a 5mm hexagon wrench. Next, adjust the outer one. Okay, we have adjusted it initially. Let's start to make fine adjustments. What stage should our track be adjusted to? First, apply relatively large force to the track to make it a little looser. Then, look at the middle. Take this as a point. Gently put your palm on it, and let it hang naturally. Then look at the track here. The bottom edge of the inside track is level with it. We use this as a reference. If there is a difference, adjust it. Loosen or tighten it a little bit. Okay, now it's almost level. At this time, we take out the 16th wrench. The bottom edge of the track is level with it. Keep this state. Tighten this screw. Okay, now the inner track is adjusted. We need to make slight adjustments to the other side to keep the track in a flat state. So how can we verify whether it is flat or not? We can first stand at this angle and look at it. Gently click the track to see if the amplitude of the bouncing and the curvature are the same. If there is a difference, we adjust the outside part. Adjust the outside to make them reach a flat state. Now, let's take a look. Tighten the outside a little bit. During the adjustment process, we should avoid track deformation. You can also rotate it. And take a look. Through the amplitude of its jumping, we can note that the inside and the outside are still a little different. This side is a little loose. Tighten it a little bit more at this time. Just take an average one. Okay, it's almost done. At this time, the quality of a vehicle's track adjustment. We need to look at both sides. We need to see the tightness of both sides. Whether there is too much difference, it should be close to each other. If the difference is too large, we should repeat this step continuously. Adjust both sides to the same tension level. Are the same, almost the same, so that the vehicle can run without problems. Okay, it feels pretty good now. At this time, take out a 6mm hexagon wrench and a 13mm wrench. Tighten the screw. During the tightening process, we need to tap the trap to avoid displacement during the tightening process. Okay. There is another one on this side. Okay, tighten it. Check the track again. To avoid the tension of the track changing, the tension of the track changes. Okay, it hasn't changed. Finally, take out a 5mm hexagon wrench and a number 10 wrench. Lock the adjusting screw. Just lock the nut with a quarter turn. So in this video, I want to tell you that in the process of adjusting the track, the first thing to note is that the tension of both tracks, the degree of straightness should be the same. Then, it can't be too tight or too loose. Why do I mark a point for you? Is because if the track is adjusted too tightly, it will reduce the service life of our bearings. And if it's too loose, it may cause the track to fall off during use. This phenomenon. This is the video.